Okay, so up to this point, we've been operating with the concept that these definitions were correct. That is, an argument is valid if and only if it's impossible for all the premises to be true and the conclusion false, or the argument is valid if and only if necessarily if the premises are true, then so is the conclusion. But we notice that these definitions run into a problem when a conclusion follows from a premise because of the meaning of a term. That is, you need to have a definition added as a premise which wasn't contained in the argument, or in the case where the conclusion is a truth of logic. So it suggests that we need to slightly modify this definition based on what we've just gone through, that is, learning that arguments have certain logical forms, and or anything, or a logical pattern of argument, and any argument of that same pattern is good. So it suggests something like our second definition of validity is an argument is valid if and only if it's impossible for any argument having the same logical form or logical pattern to have true premises and a false conclusion. And I think we're going to see that this definition suggests yet another method of testing for validity, and one that I think we're going to find to be very profitable.